Yo, what's up, guys? So, I'm back here. Ignore my background. So, I have a question that I have no idea why. Ignore my battery, chat. Here, chat. So you can transfer files, but look at this. I'm in CX File Explorer. You see this Android data. Ignore everything I have here. Please just ignore it all. Here, files, mods. I have downloaded a Shin Godzilla mod. All I did is just transfer this and then like extract it here. I followed everything from like YouTube. I've even downloaded sorry about that. Shizuku and stuff. I even run it and stuff. I've tried everything, but watch here, chat. Ignore my games. It doesn't work, and it says like you can clean files, things. And then here's my mods. They kinda exist, and then when I go ahead and play, they're just not here. Like, can somebody please help me, man? Please help me. Look, it's not here. Ignore this. Ignore that. It ain't here even if I search it. Shin Godzilla, nothing. No, it's not here, man. I really want this mod, chat. Dude, please, somebody help me with this, bro. I have no idea how to fix this. Look, here, in the mod, it's here. I've tried everything I've done, but if I do this first form, let's say this, and copy to mods, it will just come out like literally. Ignore the sound outside, it's really annoying. I want to punch those guys. Anyways, it's not there, but if I search Shin, it's here. Like it's here. It's a separate part though. Look, it works, but just dude, somebody please help me with this. Why is it like this? I can do that, but it's just stupid. But somebody please help me. Please, man. I really want this mod. I've tried everything, man. Look, the archiver, let's go to that. I'm so sorry. I've done everything. I have Shizuku. Wait, let's actually start up Shizuku first. I don't know if it started. Is it started? Pretty sure it started, right? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Y'all can just ignore the datas I have. So here, data. Alright, just gonna scroll down here until we find my app. Here, mods. It's here, chat. It's here. And this is the thing that I copied, which I have no idea. Okay, just ignore that. But I've done everything. At first, the archiver didn't work because it has access denied. But I fixed it with Shizuku. Now it works, but like now I have pasted, I have copied, I've done everything. It just doesn't work. Can somebody please help me, bro? Please, I can't download anything. So I actually have mods in Minecraft, and I use File Manager Plus, and then I just like put it. I just rename it the .zip to Mick add-on, and then I just open it with Minecraft. That's how I transfer my mods to Minecraft. But like, why, bro? It just somebody please help me.